In this next clip, I'm going to be speaking about a few tips to help the process go a little bit faster. You can get your saute pan, put a little oil in it for the sauteing. You might want to heat it up on medium. You don't want to heat it up too high because you're not putting anything in it yet, but you're just going to get it preheated. That the stuffing will be going in. Just one simple thin coat will be nice, just enough so it won't stick. A lot of people do the pecans different. I chopped mine, candied them, and baked them for like 10 minutes, but you can use them fresh, you can do them however you want. This is something personal that I like to do. We're going to preheat the oven at 320 degrees. So it should be heated up enough by the time we're done chopping and sauteing everything that it will be ready to go. And the bread, I did not cube it, but you can cube it to get everything going. And there's just a few little simple tips to help you get going on the process of making your stuffing.